స్టాండర్డ్ కాస్టింగ్ అండ్ వేరియన్స్ అనాలిసిస్లో మనకి ఓవర్ హెడ్ వేరియన్సెస్, అందులో దట్ ఈస్ ఓవర్ హెడ్ వేరియన్సెస్ రిఫర్స్ టు ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఓవర్ హెడ్ కాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫర్ యాక్చువల్ అవుట్పుట్ అండ్ ద యాక్చువల్ ఓవర్ హెడ్ కాస్ట్ ఇంకర్డ్. ఓకే, మనకు ఓవర్ హెడ్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు? ఆల్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ here we can call as overhead. So that is the overhead expenses, whatever is the estimated one and what is the actual amount is incurred. That is only the difference of these two is called as overhead variances chapter. Okay, overhead variances. Once we can see the formulas, total overhead variance equal to actual output into standard overhead rate per unit minus actual overhead incurred. Actual output into standard overhead rate per unit minus actual overhead incurred. Okay, that is actual overhead incurred means that is also that is actual output we should be multiplied with standard overhead rate per unit, then minus actual overhead incurred. Next, second formula, overhead expenditure variance, that is budgeted overhead cost minus actual overhead cost. Next one, overhead volume variance equal to standard overhead rate per unit into actual output minus standard output. Overhead volume variance equal to standard overhead rate per unit into actual output minus standard output. Next, fourth one, overhead capacity variance formula, that is standard overhead rate per day into actual hours minus budgeted hours. Next one, final one. So next one, overhead calendar variance equal to standard overhead rate per day into actual day minus budgeted days. Next, sixth one, overhead efficiency variance. Overhead efficiency variance equal to standard overhead rate per hour into standard hours of work done minus actual hours worked. Next, the above formula can be applied both the variable and fixed overheads. For variable overheads and fixed overheads, we should be okay. For both the ones, it is same formulas we can be used. In this, a positive difference is a favorable variance. Okay, manaku difference edaithe positive vachindi ankondi value, it is favorable one. If it is a negative total difference is an adverse variance. ఒకవేళ నెగిటివ్లో వచ్చిందంటే అడ్వర్స్ అని రాస్తాం మనం. నెక్స్ట్, ఫైనలీ ద ఓవర్హెడ్ కాస్ట్ వేరియన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఓవర్హెడ్ బడ్జెటెడ్ వేరియన్స్ ప్లస్ ఓవర్హెడ్ వాల్యూమ్ వేరియన్స్. నెక్స్ట్, ఓవర్హెడ్ వాల్యూమ్ వేరియన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు overhead capacity variance plus overhead calendar variance plus overhead efficiency variance. If you add this three variances, then you will get overhead volume variance. If you add overhead volume variance with overhead budgeted variance, then you will get overhead cost variance. Okay, overhead cost variance. These are only the overhead variance formulas. Next one, we can solve 17th and 18th questions. Okay, 17th question is Osmania University June 2019 question. University June 2019 question. That is, the question is calculate overhead variances, that is number of units as per standard 4000 and actual 3800, working days 20 days as per standard and 21 days as per actual, fixed overheads 40,000 for standard and actual is 39,000. Okay, these are only the overhead variances question. Okay, if you go to the solution, first of all we should be compute overhead cost variance. That is overhead cost variance equal to actual output into standard rate per unit minus actual overhead. This is only the overhead cost variance formula. That is, actual output in this question is 3800 units. 3800 units minus into standard rate per unit. That is a standard rate per unit. Actually number of units is a 4000, but overhead is 40,000. If you divisible with 40,000 divided by 4,000, then you will get standard rate per unit. That is 40,000 divided by 4,000 minus actual overhead. Actual overhead, it is incurred only 39,000, which is equal to 3,800 into actually standard rate per unit is 40,000 divided by 4,000, it is 10 per unit. Okay, minus 39,000, which is equal to 38,000 minus 39,000, which is equal to 1000 adverse, because actual actual is more than standards, then it is 1000 is adverse. This is the first one. Next, the second one, overhead expenditure variance. Overhead expenditure variance. Overhead expenditure variance, which is equal to actual, the formula is actual output minus standard output into standard rate per unit. That is, actual output is 3800 units minus standard output is 4000 units into standard rate per unit is, that is, standard rate per unit is 10 rupees. Just now we did, that is 40,000 divided by 4,000, that is standard rate per unit, that is 10 rupees, which is equal to 200 into 10, which is equal to 2000 adverse. Okay, next one, calendar variance, overhead calendar variance. The calendar variance is equal to standard rate per day. It is not per unit, it is rate per day into actual days minus standard days. Okay, the standard rate per day, the computation of standard rate per day 40,000 divided by 20. ఎందుకంటే చూడండి, ఓవర్ హెడ్ ఎంత అంటే ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ 40,000. దిస్ 40,000 incurred for working days of 20 days of working days only. Hence it is overhead per day, standard rate per day equal to, that is 40,000 divided by 20. 40,000 divided by 20 into actual days. Okay, actual days also the computation is actual days, it is taken 21 days. 21 days minus standard dates, it is 20 days, which is equal to 2000. 40,000 divided by 20, 2000 into 1. 21 minus 1, 20 is equal to 1. It is favorable of 2000. 2000 is the favorable. Okay, like this you can compute overhead cost calendar variance. Next, fourth one, overhead efficiency variance, that is standard rate per day into standard days for work done minus actual days. That is standard rate per day equal to 2000. That is 40,000 expenditure and worked for 20 days as per standard. That is 40,000 divided by 20, it is 2000. 2000 స్టాండర్డ్ రేట్ పర్ డే. ఓకే, అంటే వన్ డేకి ఎంత ఖర్చు వస్తుంది, అంటే వన్ డేకి ఎంత స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది 40,000 డివైడ్ బై 20 విచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2000. 2000 into standard days for work done. Standard days for work done. That is, so this is standard days for actual work done. Actually work done అంటే యాక్చువల్గా వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ కావాలి అంటే ఎన్ని డేస్ అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ 3,800 యూనిట్స్. 3,800 యూనిట్స్. బట్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఈస్ 4,000 అండ్ వర్కింగ్ డేస్ 20. అంటే ఫర్ 4,000 యూనిట్స్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ 20 డేస్. వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫర్ 3,800 యూనిట్స్? దట్ ఈస్ 3,800 divided by 4,000 into 20. Then you will get standard days for actual work done which is equal to 19 days. 19 days only the here 19 days minus actual days it is incurred 21 days it is incurred. So which is equal to 2,000 into 3 which is equal to 6,000. Sorry, it is 2. 19 minus 21, it is 2. 2,000 into 2, it is 4,000. It is 4,000. It's the minus 1, it is adverse. There is minus of, hence it is adverse value. Like this we can compute overhead variances.